Hi, everyone. Do you remember me talking about my golden pothos? That's what this plant is called. It's a golden pothos. Now, this plant, I bought 4 years ago. So, hang on. I'm going to give you an update of how much it's grown. Yes, the Christmas ornament is still up there. We find it funny. We have a strange sense of humor. So there's part of it. Now, this particular branch, we lost all the leaves because there was no light. But wait till you see the rest of Wait, I'm not done. Wait. I'm not done. So it's down here and it's kind of disappearing. And I think at this point, I either need to tack it up on the wall or I need to cut the branches off, and just let it go again. Because what I'm thinking is that the leaves and the branches, hang on, the leaves and the branches that are up here that we've got, hanging, wait. There's some hanging. Wait. This one goes all the way underneath and back up. So anyway, I don't know. I think I might need to cut some of this off. I could start a whole new 5 new plants, 10 new plants. Would anybody like a golden pothos from Cactus House? This thing is insane. Look at the size of that leaf compared to that leaf or this one. Yeah, golden pothos. Just water them, folks. Even people who kill plants, you can save this one. It's really easy. Yeah. So let me know. Let me know what you think I should do with my golden pothos, because it could go several different ways. It really could. It could go several different ways on what I decide to do. This thing's crazy. Enjoy my golden pothos, everyone.